Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this stunning one-owner Honda CMX500 Rebel Special Edition, registered the 23rd of October 2023 on a 23 plate with only 2078 miles and presented in titanium metallic, benefiting from full service history and an awesome Vance Hines exhaust. The Honda CMX500 Rebel S benefits from a color-coded headlight surround with integral, screen, traditional fork gaiters, and a trendy cross-stitched leather look seat. The rear seat, pegs, and standard exhaust are included in the sale. These are great fun to ride with a unique look and easygoing nature. This A2-friendly cruiser has a punchy parallel engine that's refined, smooth, and has enough grunt to get the Rebel above the national speed limit while remaining extremely versatile in town. This popular middleweight cruiser will leave us with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 014 244 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.